It's time for the Intense 5. And here we got a few billionaires on the list. Former Prime Minister Edward Seaga's body will lie in state across the country before his funeral on June 23rd. However, some Jamaicans aren't happy about the fact that it will be a closed casket, but it was his wishes. He wanted to be remembered as he was.
DJ Khaled is very disappointed with the sales of his latest album, Father of Assad. The album did not debut at the #1 spot on Billboard. It eventually made it there a few weeks later, and it's been reported that Khaled and his entourage stormed in the offices of Epic and told the execs that they haven't been pushing the album as they should.
Maybe it's just not that great. I don't really think it's that great. The only really good song is one with Nipsey Hussle, and I'm not just saying that just because, but that's the only really good song on there. Come on now, Khaled. Did you see the Reggae Boys' goal? They beat the US 1-0 recently. Hopefully they can keep on this winning streak. Oh, and Leon Bailey is now a reggae boy. Woo-hoo. Finally.
Jay-Z is now officially the richest male hip-hop artist in the world, beating out music producer Dr. Dre.
Wow. And finally holding the spot this week, still keeping on the money talk. Riri is the richest female artist in the world, and it's not music sales only. Riri's Fenty brand that includes lingerie and beauty products has made her a multi-millionaire, and she's only going to get richer. I wonder how Beyonce feels. I'm sure Beyonce don't care. Like, oh please, Beyonce still has her money and she still has things doing. So girl, she's not gonna tear down any other woman.
Guys.
She's not about tearing down any other woman, and it's not about the money. She's doing it for the love, not the likes, so it's fine.
Okay, alright, Beehive, let's go.
Beehive all day.